Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaleidoscope, and today I am here back with another DIY. So this DIY is so easy, made out of paper and popsicle sticks. So let's get started. The materials are flashing on the screen for this DIY. First, we are going to cut the edges of the popsicle sticks. Now we are going to stick the ice cream stick with the help of hot glue on the base of the tray, one after the other, until it is completely covered. Now I am going to paint the base with chalk paint in the shade truffle. You can take any color of your choice. Here I am making paper rolls with the help of paper cuttings. You can use any size according to your preference. With the help of these rolls, we are going to make 3-strand braid. If you don't know how to make 3-strand braid, then you can follow the process as shown here. Here I have made a long braided rope. You can also make small and join it. Now I am going to attach the braided rope on the inside part of the tray and cover it. going to cover the outside part of the tray with the help of braided rope. Now I'm going to cover the top part with another braided rope as some part is being seen of the tray. For making the handles, I will just eyeball the size of it and cut 2 braided rope for 2 handles. Finally, it's time to color. Here I'm using white color I have given only one coat so that I get a distressed look, but you can also give 2 coats for a complete white look. Now here are some parts with white in the base, so I'm just going to finish the look with adding a little bit of truffle color. And now let's see the finished look. If you liked our today's video, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching, guys.